Hello, welcome once again to another reaction video to Diana Ankudinova, our favorite Diana Ankudinova. She has a recent, it's not so recent by the way, a year ago, right? So Diana Concert Narva, Estonia, okay, Blizzard. She's going to perform and I love that suit she's wearing, so pinkish. I love it. She looks gorgeous with it. And let's get started without further ado, by the way.
Here we go.
Здравствуйте, здравствуйте. Здравствуйте, мои хорошие. Очень рада видеть сегодня вас здесь. Я очень рада быть здесь, стоять, видеть вас. И я надеюсь, что вам понравится.
Yeah, it's in a mall. Oh, I love the way she dress up. Blizzard.
She's quite popular.
Yeah, Estonia. It's how far it is.
It's next to Russia anyway. Moscow is still quite a bit.
Everywhere Diana is, all the fans is in there. Wow.
And look at that, you know, there's quite some people there.
It's a lot actually, and it's a small area to be gathered. And
it was before COVID, so it was still possible.
Yeah, and wow, it's always nice to see Diana, and what I love about her, she performs everywhere.
Yeah.
In a mall, in a theater, it doesn't matter if it's a small crowd or a big crowd, and she's always sharing her talent. It's amazing to see it.
Lovely. Cool.
Look at that.
Really nice to see. Look at all
Even
that
a
crowd.
small kid are very young children are very excited to see her.
Yeah, but you know, she is a presence, of course, and she is very, impressive with her voice always. So,
and she's so kind. And wow, Diana, you see her when she was a little girl with so much love of music till now. You still see, and it will always be forever. Diana, amazing.
Love it.
Big thumbs up for this, guys. Thank you
please.
for always dropping us a link and finding a video for us to react. You guys are fantastic. Thank you for your support to us. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you click the subscribe if you haven't done it, and if you're new as well here, turn it red to gray right after that one as well. Hit that notification bell.
That's it for today. Stay tuned.
Goodbye.